I just wanna put a little smile on you. With your permission, I wanna spend the night sipping on you. You know what I'm talking about, babe? Yeah. Now it's time for me to show you what it's hitting for. Sip a little Jack, probably smoke a little drug. Love you from behind, but I hate to see you go. Money don't make me happy, and a woman can't make me fancy. Smiling for a whole other reason. It's all smiles through all 4 seasons. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. Cause I don't need nothing else but you. Jumped up out a rave, we done got a rave. We get any girl we want, any girl we want. She want us to say the day, we ain't got no care. She want us to be her bed, we ain't got no. Don't know nobody, oh nobody. Always on the job, I got no hobbies. Got the city messing with because I'm home. Vibing out more than my phone, leave me alone. I come and check off, I get at it. My daddy did genetics. Heard the new stuff pathetic. The contract should be shredded. Took my dogs on a private jet from the public house, and I kept the G at 1,000 click stars that I like the Paramount Mountain. I don't want nobody else but you. I don't want nobody else but you. Oh, I don't want nobody else but you. Oh, I. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need a time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you.
Like, do you wanna hang right now? Hey. On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You said, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and it's asking a lot of you right now. Yeah. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You'll never come to me. No, you'll never come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You'll never come to me, yeah.
So baby, just send me your location. Let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need a time and place to come through.
Place to come through. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. Cause I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love off a subtweet, so let's get personal.
Got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you, girl.
Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't come to me.
You ain't never come to me, no. Girl, just send me
your location. Let's ride the vibration. Cause I don't need no one else but you.
This what happened when I think about you. I get get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, though, I want it to be different, yeah. Waited on a sign, guess it's time for another prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do me this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways. You're way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Cause everywhere she goes, playing my song. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. But so give me all of you in exchange for me, for me. So give me all of you in exchange for me, for me. So give me all of you in exchange for me, for me. So give me all of you in exchange for me. It's what happens when I think about you. It's what happens when I think about you. Oh, it's what happens when I think about you. It's what happens when I think about you. Give me all of you in exchange for me, for me. Give me all of you, give me.
Take him to the corners. Go ahead, be gone with it. To the track. Go ahead, be gone with it. 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 Go ahead, be.
So give me all of you in exchange for me, for me, for me, for me. So give me all of you in exchange for me.
Your smile, your voice creeps inside my heart with everything you do. I have no choice. Loving you is all that I know how to do. I know I get why.
Crazy, you might too much. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. It's going something. I'm in love with you,
Why? When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Why thoughts? Why? When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. If I didn't ride blade on curb, would you still love me? If I minimize my net worth, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I better you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Just love me. Just love me, just love me. Just love me. I wanna be with you, cause I got issues and you got them too. So give them all to me, I'll give them mine to you. Bask in the glory of what I promised.
Alright guys, so we just got back from Montego Bay after being on the Catamaran, and as y'all can see, I'm chocolate. Chocolate! Oh my god, that! Yes, I'm chocolate, guys. I'm about to go back to Florida and be like, y'all see this chocolate bar? $2,000.
Yeah.
Say $2,000. $2,000. It's Jeopardy. Who's gonna take for 2,000? 2,000. Anyways, guys, we're going back home tomorrow. I'm really sad because Felicia, we doing a video. Bye bye, Felicia. Bye bye, Felicia. So we're going back home tomorrow, and we're very sad. And yeah, so we just washed all of our clothes. So yeah, we're all very sad because I feel like this is my home, and I feel like we're leaving our house. Don't you feel so, Mimi?
Kinda.
I feel like a piece of me is gonna be missing when I leave here.
And then waiting to go next summer, so just
exactly. But I might be over here spring break if I get a little cash.
Get out of here.
But yeah, so
Get out of here.
but yeah, so I'm just so sad. Like, I could really cry. I'm probably gonna cry on the way to the airport, but you know, that's fine. Zane just woke up, so don't mind all the faces he's making right now. But yeah, we're sad. So on our way back home. Okay. Anyways, well, I think our flight is early in the morning, so I think we'll just record like some views on our way there, and then that will conclude our whole vlogging series. Bye.
Grips on your waist, front away, back away. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray. I need a one dance, got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Baby, I like your style. Ooh.
In an hour and 30 minutes.
Don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on a hit list. Tryna fix your relationship with a backlist. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? In a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never tell you could have it. You